Hi, my name is Silvia. Welcome to my channel. Today we are playing. As soon as I saw these figurines from Disney movie Frozen, I knew exactly what I'm gonna make. So I got this box for $1. The figurines were as well $1 each from Dollar Tree store, and I rushed home to start creating. This is a pretty simple project. I glue some felt on the box because I want to give it a snowy look. I'm gonna make a small ornament that I'll glue at the end on top of the box. Alright, so now I'm gonna glue my figurines in. I found the perfect spot for Anna. I'm gonna put some hot glue on her legs. Anna doesn't want to stay, so Anna has no more legs. That's traumatizing for kids, huh? I'm sorry, Anna. I had to cut your legs and part of your dress. Yeah, now it works better. Now for Elsa was easier because they didn't give her legs. And the little Olaf. I just had to glue the figurines. The Christmas tree will go inside. The box is really pretty by itself. I'll glue the ornament on top of the box and a pine cone. Please excuse that piece of felt from the back side of my box. And now I'm gonna add a few more ornaments in the upper right corner. I think it's too empty there. I hope you'll give it a try and make it a fun project with your kids. I still feel bad for cutting Anna's legs. Sorry, Anna, for cutting your legs. Thanks for watching.